Away in My Airplane by Margaret Weiss Brown.
Who should I start with side?
Okay, good. This side first. Riding along in my airplane. Over the clouds. This side. And through the rain. Riding along in my airplane. Sometimes, try to get the whole page so you can see the little boy in the airplane. Here, I'll go further, like this. But don't ride it, I'm trying to get further here. There we go, so you can see the whole book. Riding along in my airplane. Sometimes I meet a bird way up high in the sky, flying almost as fast as I fly, but not as high. Riding along in my airplane. Out of the sunlight and into the rain. Then out of the clouds and sun again. Riding along in my airplane. Down below the people go, very small and very slow. They look like bugs and ants and flies. I wonder if they realize what they look like to my eyes. What do you think those are?
Ants?
What's pink? Maybe some pigs? Riding along in my airplane. I wave to the sun. I shout to the rain. Then, with a roar of my motors that drowns me out, I dash up in the air and wheel about. Do the other page. Good job. I plunge through the sunlight. Next page. I hurl through the rain. Then I glide down to the earth in my airplane. Last page. This family again. And that's it.